Sean and Master Tutoring here, and today I want to talk about the FOIL method. It is a very common and very useful method that you will learn in Algebra 1. But all the FOIL method is a way to multiply two binomials. Now, what we have here below are two binomials. X plus 3 is a binomial. That means it has two terms, okay? And then 2x plus 1 is a binomial, which means it has two terms, okay? And now, the fact that they are both in parentheses, side by side, means that they're being multiplied by each other. Now, the FOIL method is a nifty way for us to be able to multiply these together. It helps you to keep track of everything pretty well. So, FOIL is an acronym that stands for first, outer, inner, and last. Okay, let's color code this so that we can make it more clear. All right, so the first thing is we want to multiply the first terms together. Okay. Then change the color. Then we multiply the outer terms together. This is outer. This is outer. On the outside. Then we multiply the inner terms together. So that's inner. This is inner. And then last, we multiply the last terms together. All right. And so keep in mind, everything is being still going to be added together. Everything is still being added together as you multiply, and I'll show you what I mean as I go through it. Um, you want to keep track of like signs if something is negative or whatever. In this case, everything is positive. So it kind of is what it is. All right. So here we go. So now let's start. Let's multiply the first term together. What is x times 2x? That is going to be 2x squared. Okay. Let's multiply the outer terms together. That's x and a 1. What's x times 1? It's x. And both of those are positive, so it's still being added. That's 1x, or just x. What are the inner terms when you multiply them together? That's 3 times 2x, which is a positive 6x. And finally, what are the last when multiplied together? What is that? 3 times 1. The last terms in the binomials. That is just plus 3. Okay? So we've done the FOIL method. Okay? Now what we want to do is we want to see if there are any like terms. In other words, are there any terms? So we got 4 terms in here now. Are there any terms that can be combined because they're like terms, meaning that they share the same variable to the same power? Okay, so we have x squared. There are no other x squareds here. We have x. There's another x term, so these can be combined. We have 3, but there are no other terms with no variables, so that can't be combined with anything. So we're going to combine x and 6x. X plus 6x is 7x. So therefore, the simplest version of this now polynomial is 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. Okay, so we've just applied the FOIL method. Okay, now in another video, I'm going to go back in the reverse order to show how you can get back to the two polynomials. No, the two binomials. I'm sorry, but I just wanted to show a quick and dirty, or quick and easy rather, way of doing the FOIL method. Let me know if this video was helpful in the comments, and have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.